All right, here we go. We got a continuation oil short number two, a number two. For those of you who don't know what a number two is, show up to our free trial and we'll go over it with you and we'll show you. But right now is not the time. We're going to go ahead and execute this trade on a short. Boom, 6 contracts short. Average fill 47.22. Again, our free trials, we go over all this, even with the new guys. But here is our 2 spikes, and here's the corresponding spikes with the extended bow at the bottom, and that would indicate a continuation short. A continuation short. For the first 15 minutes before the market opens, 9 to 9:15 Eastern Standard, we'll go over these signals with you. What we're using here, for those of you who aren't familiar with futures or the platform, this is what these videos are for. They're for to show you what our trading room looks like. They're here to demonstrate what our software looks like. For those of you who don't know how futures work, this is oil. It's $10 per tick. What's a tick? A tick is each movement here that you see this little yellow rectangular cube moving. That's where current price is. That dark brown area is our average fill. So right now it's kind of going against us a little bit, but we'll try not to wiggle watch here. Now I jumped this trade a little early. Our trader, and he's setting up the trade right now for everybody in the room. I jumped the trade a little early for the reason of it's a solid trade. The bow is really pulling down hard, which generally will pull price down with it. And the trigger here is where you see our trader, he's using Chart Trader, and where he set up his order. And this is how we do it in the room. He sets it up. He puts the trade up on the screen for you. So it's do as he says and do as he does. So it takes out a lot of the guesswork. Hopefully all of the guesswork. That's what we work on here. Well, our trade is still basically at break even here. But as you can see, it's losing some upward momentum, so we should see a nice little pull down here. Once it hits the horizontal sell line, I think you'll see a nice pop down. That's generally what it does, and that's the there it is. At this point right here, you should see a nice drop in price. This is where a lot of the weak hands give out, usually right here. They've had enough, those who are going long. And you can see we're using a bracket order here. That red order at top is if things go poorly for us, and the green order is our profit target. So on 6 contracts, 15 tick profit target, we're going for $10 a tick is about $900. And we should see a drop here. There it is. Boom. All right. So finish that one off pretty nice. And most of the people are still in the trade. They just got in the trade in the room. As I said, I jumped it just a tad early, which I normally do. And but this is an active trade for many in the room right now. So I guess we can sit here and just watch this a little bit. But anyway, I'd like to invite everybody who's listening to this to come and watch this live. I mean, that's the only way to really evaluate any kind of program, is to watch it live. Results, what people state their percentage winnings. They don't talk about their drawdowns ever, so it's all you really need to come watch it and watch the traders call live trades. A lot of times traders will fence sit and maybe you want to take this, maybe you don't want to take this. You can't make a living like that. You need to have the decisive calls, and that's what we do in our room. So I would recommend everyone come in and take a look and watch us call these trades. Anyway, hope to see you all there.